To adjust cursor thickness for better visibility when editing text in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with Android 14, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Under size and zoom section, tap cursor thickness. To adjust cursor thickness, slide the cursor thickness adjustment bar to the right or tap the green plus icon to get a thicker cursor. Or you can slide it to the left or tap the red minus icon to get a thinner cursor. As you are adjusting the cursor thickness, you can see how the cursor will look like in the preview above the adjustment bar, so you can easily find the right setting for your need. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.